Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are. I'm like fixing my hair because I'm just finished take a bath, talk a bath, and I put a little bit hair oil guys so that it will easy to comb my hair. How are you today guys? I hope you're doing well while watching me. Okay, it's finished guys. And I also put here. It's like Johnson, it's Johnson baby oil guys. And I also put in my hair and a little bit here. This is my hair. This is also here. Then I put this is original guys. And I always thank God for that. Okay guys, now I comb my hair. How are you guys? By the way, I hope you're doing well while watching me. Okay, I wait guys. I put here. Yeah. In a while guys, I have work. This is my work uniform. Wait guys. Now it's already long. Guys. You see? So already long guys. It's already same as before, right? Now it's long. By the way guys, I hope you're doing well. How's life so far guys? I hope you're all good. Good while watching me. And How's life so far, guys? Ramadan is finished, Eid is finished, and now I go back to going back. It's already back to the daily routine. And you know, guys, I have we can control the family problems, family issue, and now it's fine, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and that's all for today's video because I have work. I'm going to my work. Thank you so much, guys. And as I always said, keep safe, everyone. Bye for now.